नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकावंटर कार्यावळीन. आमी सद्या आसा ऑडशेल ह्या वाठारान आनी हो ताळगांव मतदारसंघाचो पार्ट. आनी आमी इनफॉर्मल इंटरव्यू दवरल्या कारण जे मनशाक आमी इंटरव्यू करता ते इनफॉर्मल. खूब फावटी ताजे आमी पळयले आसतले विडियोज, स्वता हातीर सेल्फी मोडार धरून ताणें विडियोज काडले आनी जगाक गोंयाक तरी हालोवन उडयला. आमचे बरोबर आसा सेसील रॉड्रिगीज, आम आदमी पक्षाचे उमेदवार, ताळगांव मतदारसंघाचे फुडलो आमदार.
ऑफकोर्स
गॅरंटेड जिखतले म्हणटा तूं सारकें. कशें म्हणटा बिकॉज सी हाजे पयलीं सगळे आमी जे रिक्वेशन्स पळयले, वी सी द हिस्ट्री ऑफ तालिगांव, जाल्यार मोन्सेराताचेच मनीस जिखता, केन्नाच नॉन मोन्सेरात हालीं तरी जिखूना आफ्टर जुवारकर. तूं कशें दिसता आपूण जिखतले म्हणून?
आतां पयल्यार 20 वर्सां जालीं लोकांनी तांकां निवडून हाडला. फर्स्ट द हजबंड, देन द वायफ, आतां पूत आतां येयला. पूण फॅमिली राज इतलीं वर्सां चलोवन लोकांनी पळयलें कितें काम, ग्रावंड रियलिटी पळयला. कामां जायना लोकांची. यू नीड एन MLA हू इज एक्सेसिबल, हू इज देर फॉर द पीपल. गुंडागिरी, दादागिरी हें चल्लां तें बंद करपाक जाय. रेस्पेदान जिवपाक जाय. Respect is what people are longing for.
पूण आतां बारीक पळयला, आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट जेनिफर और बाबूश? Usually it's like Babush's constituency and Jennifer gets elected with his support. And if you go to see, even when we crossed just now, in his office, outside office, there were so many people were standing outside. Lok रावता ताका. So this is accessibility.
This is every Tuesday, and this has just started 2 months before election. Every Tuesday, 6 o'clock in the morning, people wait in line over there. कितें एप्लिकेशन फॉर्म, जॉब्साचे आनी कितें मेडिकलाचे कितें तरी सगळे जाण यूथच आहा थिंगा बायलान. एंड वाय 2 months बिफोर इलेक्शन? ना पूण जावपाक जाय कामां न्हू. कामां जायना. जेन्ना आमी वेन आय गो डावन ऑन ग्रावंड लेवल, हांव प्रत्येक आतां ऑलमोस्ट 10% ऑफ हावजीस आर रिमेनिंग टू बी मेट. आय वेंट टू ईच एंड एवरी हावज. हांव मेवता लोकांक, विचारता बाबा तुमची कामां जाल्या, तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा, तुमकां कितें जाय तालिगांव. आनी लोक सांगता आमकां बेसीक नेसेसिटी जाय ते उदीक जाय, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाय, बरे रस्ते जाय, आमची शेतां सांबाळपाक जाय, दोंगर आनी आमचे आर ऑन द बीच सायड जे कोण रापणकार आहा तांकां सांबाळपाक जाय. कोणाचें आयकना हिंगा.
ती गर्देचे वॉट डू यू मीन बाय ती गर्दी चलता पळय ती गर्देचे वॉट यू मेक आउट ऑफ दॅट रश नाव?
सी इफ यू सी द ऑफिस इज नॉट एक्सेसिबल फॉर द लास्ट 4 years. It's just 2 months and that to every Tuesday.
They will not vote for Babush, in fact Jennifer.
Now right now who's there inside in the office? Is the MLA Jennifer Montserrat there attending to them? Why is she appointed as the MLA? जेन्ना आमी इलेक्ट करता आमच्या आमदाराक काम करपाक जाय न्हू. आय मीन बाबूश म्हणून पुरो.
बट हे तुका सेंटिमेंट्स लोक सांगता काय दिस इज व्हॉट यू आर लायक?
नो, दिस इज व्हॉट पीपल आर सेइंग. कित्याक लास्ट इलेक्शन आमी पळयल्यार इन द लास्ट 2 elections जेनिफर मॉन्सेरात स्टूड ऑन काँग्रेस टिकेट. शी गॉट अपॉइंटेड ऑन काँग्रेस. पीपल वोटेड फॉर हर. पूण आतां कितें जालां? फ्रॉम काँग्रेस शी जम्प टू BJP विदाउट टेकिंग द पीपल्स एक्नॉलेजमेंट. लोकांचे घेवपाक जाय न्हू. ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज देर आर हार्डकोर काँग्रेस पीपल ओवर हियर. And we've seen the present BJP what they have done to us. कितें केलां आमचे गोंयकारांक? I mean, why do I as a citizen had to come down on ground level? I'm a taxpayer. I pay my house tax on time. I pay all the bills, everything on time. पूण आमची कामां जायना. आमकां टँकर हाडपाक जाय सोसायटीन. आमचे रस्ते पिड्यार आहा. Why do I have to pay 300?
तू रावता ते तुका उदक ना तर?
No, we also have a problem.
उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा?
ऑफ कोर्स.
ताळगांव रावता?
हांव ताळगांव रावता.
आनी त्याच सारकें
हय.
तुका उदका प्रॉब्लेम?
येस. एंड इफ यू गो प्रत्येक दुर्गावाडी, बाटलेम, अमराल वाडो, यू गो इन करांजले स्टेट, उदकाचे इतले प्रॉब्लेम आहा. आय मीन येस्टरडे वेन हाय वाज कॅम्पेनिंग इन वन एरिया, थिंगा लोक म्हणटाली म्हाका सकाळींसान आमी रावले उदकाक, आजून पासून येवंक ना. आनी 2:30 उदीक येयलें तांकां, आनी दॅट टू फॉर 1 hour.
सो तुकाय बी उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा?
ऑफकोर्स, सगळ्यांक उदकाचे प्रॉब्लेम आहा. रायट फ्रॉम बाटले टू दुर्गावाडी टू अमराल वाडो टू करांजले टू ऑडशेल, उदकाचे मेन प्रॉब्लेम.
हे प्रॉब्लेम्स आसा आनी प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्ले. पूण टिपिकली आमी पळयलें एवरी टायम मोन्सेरात फॅमिली जेका दवरता पळय ते निवडून आयिल्ले आसा.
ऑफकोर्स.
सो आतां जेन्ना तूं नेक्स्ट टायम आतां गेल्लें आसा पळय तुका तें भंय ना की परत तेच निवडून येतले म्हणून?
What have I got to lose, Rupesh? I don't have anything to lose, but I've got so much to gain in this 6 years that I have, come into politics. I have been a social worker, I have been an activist. I've done all the possible things.
But your second time into Talegaon Amdar, last time you failed miserably.
I was new.
1000
1900 is not a
ZP
joke to
परत
start.
पडले.
Then ZP मागीर येलो no in December
तूंय
2020.
पडले तू.
3,500 votes, Rupesh. I
आता
got more
वाटता
votes.
अशें.
Of course. वाटता न्हू.
आनी आतां?
And without paying money. Without paying money to get 3,500 votes is not easy in Talegaon. Now people also are understanding that money doesn't have value because that money is not sufficient for the next 5 years.
So who fight is between whom now? आता तीग जाण आमी जाणा.
Of
एक
course.
टोनी आसा काँग्रेसचेर रावतलो, एक जेनिफर आमी दर्या ती बीजेपीचेरूच रावतली म्हणून एज ऑफ नाव, आनी तूं आसा. सो ट्रायंगुलर फायट, स्ट्रेट फायट.
No, it is directly between me and BJP. It's directly
You and
between.
Jennifer.
Yes.
Two
Directly.
ladies fighting.
Two ladies fighting.
Unique thing.
And that too, one who's a ground worker, who has been seen on ground more than the MLA, who has been voicing people's opinion without being in power and getting work done. And an Amdar who's also a minister, je kama zaina, they can't meet the MLA. This is the accessibility of MLA. And kite kela ata Talegaon maka sang, bore.
But
Except for शेता पुरोवन पंचायत घर बांदपाक ते मागीर जाता
शेतापुरून बिल्डिंगू बांदल्या पळय,
मागीर?
त्या बिल्डिंगेन तुजे वोटर रावता ते तुका आतां मत मारचे ना. दे विल से की हे परत परत तेच पॉइंट आउट करता की
ना कित्याक
शेतापुरून.
I was once upon a time like that. And during the lockdown, ही शेतां जी आमची आशिल्ली, we have bought vegetables when the whole border was on
पण
lockdown.
त्याच शेतांनी ज्यो बिल्डिंगो आयल्या तेच तुजे आतां वोटर जाल्या.
ना रे बाबा, कितले वोटर हा? Everyone has bought these buildings for investment purpose. Real estate has gone into a boom level. Ever since he became the town and country minister, he has changed the whole ODP. सगळे जी शेतां हा आतां रेड दाखयता, commercial. Who's responsible for that? It is the elected representatives because they saw money in the land of what is there in Talegaon. Talegaon has the fields, it has the hills, it's got the beach, everything is there. But the reality of today, it is more of a money oriented, nothing for people's development. Sustainable development नाच हिंगा
रस्ते
Talegaon.
बी आसा मगो ताळगांव बरे.
कितले व्हडले रस्ते, कोणाक जाय रे इतले व्हडले रस्ते? आता शेताची उदीक भायर पासून सरना.
रस्त्याक लागून.
Oh, and now recently, if you saw my video, which I showed about, one whole 3-meter lane for a 10-meter road that is coming up. लोकांनी सांगूंक पासून ना, भाटकारान पासून permission दिवंक ना. But in 2015, when she was into Congress, she had the government had asked for
So
this
तुका
land.
आतां whom you are blaming, Jennifer or Babush?
Now she comes from a family Raj. She would have not been in politics if her husband was not there. Now he wants to, तो तेजो empire न्हू grow करपाक जाय. Husband, wife, put, PA is going somewhere else now. The sarpanch, he's resigned and he's going to Santa Cruz. हे कितें चल्ला? तेंचेच लोक हा, ऑपोजिशन कोण ना भितर, पंचायत तेंचे, CCP तेंचो. कोण हा लोकांचे
But that
आयकपाक?
also means की CCP तेंचो जाता आसतना लोकांनी CCP हाडला, पंचायतीन लोकांनी हाडला तांकां. ताणें अशें म्हणना ही पंचायत माझी म्हणून.
And
ताणें
they've lost with
लोकांकडे
few
काम
votes.
करून
If you see
काडलेलें
the
आसा.
margin of each and every ward, with few votes everyone has won.
Yeah, but they
And-
won.
Yeah, but with few votes, that
Democracy is what
means it
एक
is,
vote
of course. But people are saying now, no, पोतून बाबू शेतानी सांगता बाबा वोट कर, आम्ही हे करतले ते करतले. Till date, what promise he has fulfilled from his manifesto?
परत परत मतां कित्याक पडटा if he has not fulfilled?
People have to realize that, no? People have to realize that
No,
from
according to
Congress.
you, तू आतां वता लोकांकडे डोर टू डोर वता.
Of course.
यू आज देम बाबा तुम्ही बाबुशाक मत कित्याक घातलें काय म्हणून जर तो कामाच
हांव
करिना
विचारता जेनिफराक कित्याक तुमी मारता?
Ah,
First
okay.
because of Congress and because of Babush, because sympathy towards Babush. Babush येता आनी आमकां सांगता की बाबा म्हाजे बायलेक वोट मारात, आमची सगळीं कामां पोतून तेच म्हणटा. पूण आमची कामां जायना, 10 वर्सां दिली तांकां. हे फाटी this election we will not give them. आनी बाय दे से तूं कितले झुजता आमच्या खातीर, तूं फायट करता, तुका पुलीस वता, तूं कित्याक why? Because you are fighting for us. So आमी तुमकां एक चान्स दिवपाकूच जाय. And we've seen the Congress. From Congress, people have jumped
So
to
this
BJP.
time एक time chance केजरीवाल तसं एक chance सेसिला
Of course.
ताळगाव
Athletes.
एक chance सेसिला
Yes, very
तुम्ही
much.
लोकांना तेच सांगता एक chance देऊन पळे म्हणून
Of course.
5 वर्षाचो
Because I'm on ground all the time, Rupesh. You have seen my work. I cannot fake it because I've taken my mobiles, I've shot. What is happening in the CCP section, I show the panchayat people. What's happening in the panchayat people, I show the municipality people. So I'm making people aware what is happening in Talegaon.
But are you MLA material? कित्याक जाण तूं आमी पळयलें की you have really done good job as far as those speed breakers are concerned. Okay, and really appreciate कित्याक खुबश्या जाणांक एक्सिडेंट जावपाक वाचले तो दिसता बाबा स्पीड ब्रेकर खूब टायम म्हाजी गाडी उडपाची वाचल्या ओके बट MLA is a different ball game altogether. This is activism, this is politics. Means politics also is mix of activism and
Of
sharp
course.
mind, and you have to understand the voters. Are you MLA material?
You tell me, what is the criteria for a MLA? Is it what? Having criminal cases or doing social work for the people?
You have
It
to
is doing
social
social
also.
work.
So that's
So
how
this is all about where people work needs to be done. You address it in the assembly. There has to be a voice in the assembly. And आम्ही पळयल्यार आमचे तालिगांवचे आमदार, whether it was Mr. Monserrat or his wife, केन्ना एक पाटी असेंब्लीन तालिगांवचे खातीर कितें उलयलां तरी आयज पर्यंत. Rupesh, you've been in this, you've been interviewing everyone. Till date, have they spoken on behalf of Talegaon? Baba, Talegaon is, even when they were in opposition, कितें तरी उलयलां? They jumped because of power, no? Power आसून पासून कामां जायना. तो लॉस दिसता न्हू, लोकांक पासून लॉस दिसता रे बाबा. मिनिस्टर जावन पासून शी इज नॉट एक्सेसिबल. शी इज सपोज टू बी डुईंग पीपल्स
so
वर्क.
Babush is better or Jennifer is better?
Babush is better, Jennifer is better. Montserrat family has to come to an end in politics because it's only for their personal gains.
Even Rohit?
Rohit is just new. What experience does he have? Tumaka Sang, if you are asking me if I am an MLA material, what experience does he have to be a mayor? What is his qualification to be a mayor? What groundwork has he done? He's not even been there with his father all this time on groundwork, doing social work. And he's made a mayor because I campaigned in that part where Rohit stood also. I know how people change last minute.
Okay, we have seen you going to government offices and doing people's work in the sense एक मनशाचे काम ओळखून उरला ते तू केल्ले आसा.
Yes.
Will it help you this time? काय लोक विसरले आमकां काम केल्ले?
I think so. People will not forget. Even during lockdown, when we went to each and every household, when it was the peak pandemic time. I mean, I lost my father in May, but in June, when we started the ration, June, July, August, 3 months, we went down to every village. We asked people, कोणाक जाय, कोणान phone केला, आमी तेंची घरा पावल्या, आमी ration घेवन. So people will not forget during the most important time when no one was reaching there, आमी पावले.
आम्ही म्हणजे सेसल.
Cecil, Aam Aadmi
Aam
Party,
Aadmi Party.
because we represent a change, we represent upliftment of the people. लोकांची कामां जावपाक जाय. आनी तेच बरो फुडार. We say गोंयकार पण, नीज गोंयकार. But if we as गोंयकार don't come down on ground level as a common citizen and say let's bring a change. Till date, no, Talegaon, a normal citizen has never won. जे कोण पयशेकार हा, ते जिखोन येता. So this will be a
This
good
time
opportunity.
common citizen.
This time we are asking people.
बीजेपी वाले कितें
Give
म्हणटा
an
ताळगांव?
opportunity.
बीजेपी वाले कितें म्हणटा ताळगांवचे?
Uh,
They are with Jennifer, they are with you.
they are
with
unhappy
Tony.
with having MLAs who have a criminal record, and they already have their cases lined up. Whether it is the husband who's got 2 cases, one is the rape case and one is the police station case, and even our MLA Jennifer Monserrat has the police station case on her. And if convicted, 5 years, they go straight to jail. It's not.
What about Tony?
Tony has been part of his team for a very long time. When Babush in 2002 was, the MLA. In 2006, he was the mayor at that point of time. So they're all the same gang.
They are all the same.
They're all the same gang. Tell me one thing: how did Tony become a mayor? How he got into all this?
This is long back. After
long-
that, even Uday became a mayor, and right now Uday is contesting, thinking to
People
contest
should not
against.
forget how they have come up. It's because of the people like him. They have been in the team and they have been given
So
an
they are thankless,
opportunity.
म्हणटा तू. Tony is thankless, Uday is thankless. They should
If
be thankful to
they are
Babush.
unhappy with their MLA, for one particular purposes, they have not got that opportunity to be a mayor again. And everyone's got their reasons of why they are standing for. You know, what selfish gains they have. And why just before elections? Why not before? You think when Uday was a mayor and when Tony was a mayor, they didn't know what was happening?
So why do someone vote for Aam Aadmi Party? You have been with them, one of the oldest Aam Aadmi Party workers.
Yes, from 2016, joined as a volunteer. I think so.
You don't do worker म्हणना दिसता, volunteer.
Volunteer आम्ही म्हणता, because we didn't go in, you know, when I won the reality show, then गोंयकारांनी न्हू जायतो म्हाका support घेवन, they made me on that, you know, they got me to that level, voting for me and everything as a first runners up. So I said it's my time to give back to the community, but how can I give back? I'm not born in a golden spoon or a silver spoon, you know, I just am a normal citizen. And into small ways I said, okay, let me see. Aam Aadmi Party is one party that was working very hard for the common man. And I come from a middle class family. And we see when we go down on ground level, Aam Aadmi Party believes in going door to door, seeing what is people's problem and seeing ground level. Because Taligaon, आमी पळयल्यार न्हू big roads, big building. पूण जेन्ना आमी विलेजिनान वयता न्हू, the ST communityचे हाल, रस्ते सारके ना, उदीक ना तेंकां, टॉयलेट ना सारके, structures मोडपाचे आहा, कोण तेंकां support करपाक ना. You know, no one is ready to talk for them.
So now when you go to meet people, लोक तुका TV वयल्यानी वळखता?
Yeah, from TV, from YouTube.
ते म्हणटाले ते मोबाईल घेऊन हे करताले ते.
Oh, because
live करताले ते.
They know me from different.
You should be thankful to Facebook.
Of course, because social media is my tool. Like some people remove their gun and they shoot. I remove my phone and I shoot. I show reality. हांव काय फोटिंग काय म्हणना, हांव बेश्टे घरा बसोन कांय सांगना. हांव reality दाखयता. If I'm in GMC, हांव reality दाखयता. You think security people don't come and they don't capture me?
So तू security बी तापयलो तुया GMC?
Of course रे बाबा, आमी taxpayer, आमी resident. So if we see what wrong is happening, if we don't record, who will record it? And when my parents were in the worst situation, I sat at home, edited it and I uploaded it. And because of what I did, at least CM reached there the next day. आतां तो म्हणटा न्हू सगळे बरे हा हे हा ते हा दाखोवपाक जाय. 5 security guard after me to take my phone away. I said, you touch my phone and you see, I said, what I will do to you all. You all don't have the right to touch. It is my duty to let citizens know what is happening here and bring it to light. Oh, Ogi Ravale. Yeah. And even in the new block, Jenna, it was the cyclone time, 16th of May. Where we all family members were, it was filled with water. If you saw that video I did, we connected it. We said, find out the root cause of the problem. Connected it and then we removed out all the water. In ICU, we were cleaning water. When my father's bed was, sogle udik ashile. ICU.
But what do you promise now before we end the interview? 2 things. I want to know what are you promising? And don't make any fake promises.
No, I think so. Je lokani poila sodans groundar ha. I think so. Accessibility ek MLA aspak zay, and that I'm promising the people that I will be accessible. Ani jena bota, you know, house to house lokani je issue sangla, like utkache issue asa, rostyache issue asa, magir ek health centers I think in the CCP section and in the panchayat section ek health centers zay ते प्रोवाइड करपाक जाय. लोकांनी सांगला एक मार्केट जाय, शेतां सांबाळपाक जाय, आमचे रापणकार जे हा तेंकां आयकोपाक कोण आसपाक जाय.
तू MLA जाले जाल्यार 1 inch of Taligaon will not be converted. 1 inch of शेत forget Taligaon.
Definitely.
1 inch सुद्धा convert.
Definitely. My granny had fields in Bambulan. And my mother never allowed me because she always wanted me to, you know, have a good life. But today I feel blessed that, you know, I am there today in the fields, working in the fields. My son, who's 11 years old, he's there in the fields. He's there with his friend circle in the fields.
तू शेत करता तर?
Of course. आम्ही शेत केला.
किती रोले 40?
So everything we've done. बात केला आम्ही.
बात रोले?
Of course.
शेत कान मुझे जाले.
Our videos दाखवता because I can't. I'm not a person who just speaks. I do it. Our Korun. See, if I don't go in the fields, I will not know the problems of the farmers. If I don't come to the beach side, I will not know what are the fishermen's problem. So it is there where we have to be accessible. आणि लोकांक एकूच सांगता हांव सदांच आसतलें and you all have my number. जेन्ना हांव दारार वयता तुमकां म्हाजो नंबर दिता. आय एम एक्सेसिबल कितें जाल्यार हांव हा म्हणून whether it's GMC, whether it's a road accident, कितें हा, I will always be there for the people.
फोन मार, MLA will be there.
Of course.
To help
This
you
is, of course.
एक क्वेश्चन विच आय आस्क युजली नाव एक सगळ्यांक विचारता एंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू. व्हॅलेंटायन्स डे प्लॅन सगळ्यांचो खूब जाणांचो आसलो आतां. तूं कितें कितें एक्टिविटी करताले व्हॅलेंटायन्स डेच्यो पयलीं? आय थिंक यू यूज टू कंडक्ट सम इव्हेंट्स फॉर व्हॅलेंटायन्स डे.
Yes, I used to conduct, but I think so since
फावटी ना.
14th of February is election day, जेन्ना हांव घरांनी भोंवता हांव सांगता की हे जे इलेक्शन डेयार तुमी मोगान येवन म्हाका एक चान्स दिवपाक जाय, म्हाका एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिवपाक जाय. हांवें काम बरें केल्यार be my Valentine on 14th of February and vote for a change and give Aam Aadmi Party also a chance to bring in good governance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
And I
Rupesh.
think I'm sorry आमी तुजो चड टायम घेतलो.
ना,
You are on a door
Rupesh.
to door.
ना, ना.
Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you Rupesh.
हे आशिल्ले सेसिल रॉड्रिगीज. ताळगांव काम जालां अशें लोक म्हणटा, पूण ते म्हणटा की ताळगांव काम जावना. खुबशे विशय आसा ते ताळगांवकाराचे आजून सॉल्व जावना, आपूण सॉल्व करतले. आमदार जाले उपरांत एका फोनाचेर तुमकां जाय तेन्ना तुमी जेन्ना त्रासान आसा तेन्ना आपूण एवेलेबल जातले. आनी एक चान्स केजरीवालाक आमी म्हणटा पळय ते एक चान्स म्हणटा ते सेसिलाक ह्या फावटी ताळगांव दिवन पळोवचे. आनी सगळ्यांत इम्पॉर्टंट बी माय व्हॅलेंटायन म्हणटा ते बाय वोटींग हर on February 14. That's what she says. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Rupesh.
This was the Hub Encounter Uncut, wherein we are very informally sitting and talking. Our production partners are Goa Violin. Our channel partners are RDX Goa. Keep watching.